A fourth woman has accused Chris North of sexual assault, saying Thursday that the Sex and the City star had threatened to ruin her career if she spoke out about the alleged attack in 2002 earlier. Singer and composer Lisa Gentile told a virtual press conference that North had insisted on following her up to her New York apartment, where he allegedly groped her and forced her to touch him. Then he became more aggressive and put both hands on my breasts and began squeezing them very hard over my shirt, she said. I was trying to get him to stop. Then he forced my hands to pull up his shirt, exposing his belly. And then, even harder, he pushed my hands down. I finally managed to push him away and get out of his grasp and yell, "No, I don't want this," Lisa Gentile said, adding he became extremely angry and started screaming and calling me a tease and a bitch. Lisa Gentile's lawyer, Gloria Allred, said her client would not be able to file a complaint because the allegations go back almost 20 years and are barred by the statute of limitations. Allred said she hoped a law to be considered next month in New York would open a 1-year window for victims of sexual abuse to file a complaint even if the statute of limitations has expired. Last week, The Hollywood Reporter published allegations from 2 anonymous women that Chris North, now age 67, had sexually assaulted them. One woman alleged that North raped her in his West Hollywood apartment in 2004. She was 22 at the time and went to hospital to receive stitches due to her injuries, she said. The other woman said she was on a date with North in New York in 2015 when he invited her back to his apartment, where he allegedly assaulted her. A day later, a third woman told the Daily Beast that North had assaulted her in New York in 2010 when she was 18. On Monday, Sex and the City stars Sarah Jessica Parker, Kristen Davis, and Cynthia Nixon issued a statement expressing support for the women who came forward. "We are deeply saddened to hear the allegations against Chris North," they wrote. "We support the women who have come forward and shared their painful experiences. We know it must be a very difficult thing to do, and so we commend them for it." North recently reprised his role as Mr. Big in the Sex and the City sequel, and Just Like That, in which his character dies of a heart attack in the first episode after working out on a Peloton exercise bike. The exercise company quickly pulled a parody ad featuring North in the wake of the assault accusations. North has denied the allegations, saying the encounters were consensual and calling the claims categorically false. North, who has since been dropped by his talent agency and from the CBS series The Equalizer, did not immediately respond to requests for comment on the latest allegations. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.